Highly driven, intelligent people often find themselves stuck in toxic relationships, fully aware they deserve better, yet seemingly unable to walk away. Societal narratives of weakness overlook a biological reality. Staying is a specific response of internal defense mechanisms reacting to extreme psychological pressure. The trap begins with cognitive dissonance, the severe mental discomfort of holding two contradictory beliefs, like respecting yourself while experiencing abuse. The brain treats this psychological friction as an absolute emergency, prioritizing its immediate resolution above all other logic. To resolve this discomfort, the mind faces a choice: change behavior by leaving the relationship, or alter internal reality by rationalizing the abuse. Because severing a deep emotional bond triggers primal fear, the brain often defaults to rewriting reality. This process traps the victim in a loop of self-deception, intended to minimize the immediate psychological pain. To execute this reality distortion, the subconscious utilizes specific tools, known as defense mechanisms. One primary tool is minimization. The brain actively shrinks the severity of abusive behavior, reframing a terrifying screaming match as a manageable everyday inconvenience. Rationalization then provides a logical-sounding justification for the behavior. A partner's demand to control your daily schedule is reinterpreted as a sign of their deep concern. Abusers frequently utilize DARVO: deny, attack, and reverse victim and offender. When the victim's brain accepts this reversed blame, the conflict ends quickly. It restores a false sense of peace by simply agreeing with the abuser's reality. Confirmation bias then filters the environment, actively scanning for evidence that supports these excuses while ignoring the mountain of contradictory facts. These rationalizations function as efficient psychological shields, deployed automatically by the mind to preserve internal harmony. The underlying biological driver behind these thoughts is a process called intermittent reinforcement. Mixing unpredictable affection with cruelty creates massive spikes of dopamine and endogenous opioids within the brain. This chart compares a steady dopamine baseline against the sharp, erratic spikes triggered by unpredictable rewards. In this environment, the dopamine system surges as the brain works harder to predict the next moment of connection. These extreme chemical spikes wire the brain for compulsive attachment, establishing a chemical loop that can override logical reasoning. This explains why objective truth from friends often fails to help. When others present facts about the toxic partner, it triggers the backfire effect. The brain perceives the external truth as a threat to its emotional safety. To resolve the resulting dissonance, the mind utilizes confirmation bias to push the friend away and double down on the relationship. The brain's survival hardware has essentially locked into a cycle of defending its own reward supply and its perception of safety. To break the loop, you have to strategically dismantle the mind's rigid defenses by bypassing the brain's biological protective systems. Documentation serves as a primary tool. Keep private written notes about incidents exactly as they occur, including the date and your immediate feelings. Creating a record bypasses the selective memory and rationalization filters, providing an objective history that the brain can no longer distort. This record helps rebuild epistemic self-trust, the fundamental necessity of having confidence in your own perception of reality. Professional therapy can act as an external anchor, validating this self-trust and preventing the brain from slipping back into familiar rationalizations. It is equally critical to rebuild an identity and value system that exists entirely separate from the relationship. An external identity lowers the biological stakes of cognitive dissonance. When your sense of self is not tied solely to the partner, the choice to leave is no longer perceived as a threat to your survival. Seeing this neurological machinery reveals that the struggle to leave was a normal brain responding to an abnormal situation. By understanding that the trap was built on automatic biological responses, you can discard the shame and regain the power to change your reality.